So I had to stop. I had a doctor's appointment, got back, my cameraman is home from school, so I'm gonna finish the install process. I had to swap camera, my other battery was dead. So I got to this point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna install it on this stock cover, and of course on it it'll tell you up, front, so you know which way to go. So we know this is the front. The top's a little bit softer than the bottom, so I'm going to go in from the bottom. So a little bit harder than it looks. Trying to get it to stay. I guess I got to start one area and work it around. Just like that, it's in. So here it is. I have that boot back in. It's just a pain. Trying to get it in up here. Uh-oh. Piece popped out. So now that I got the this set in place, I'm gonna go ahead and install these. One on this side. Gonna use the 4 bolts on the front and 4 on the back. And go ahead and just get them started. I'm not going to tighten them down because this is how we're going to adjust the angle of the shifter. Got the washer, then have the lock washer on. Alright, so now I'm going to do the back side. So next I'm going to go ahead and slide the shifter in here, and then I have these 4 bolts with the lock washers that I'm going to go ahead and put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up because these could be tight. Alright, so they're in, and now this, I could do the angle. I didn't see what the stock angle was. but I think I like it turned in like this. And then with the new one, you could adjust if it goes forward or backwards by loosening or tightening these up. So I'm thinking, I'm not sure if I want to go this way or go forward. So I've adjusted all the way over. So now I'm gonna see if I like that feel. And that's pretty legit. I think I'm gonna go with it all the way over like that and up a little. If I don't like it, later on I could always take it back off and adjust it. Now that I have it where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and install everything back in place. I won't necessarily record that, so I'll just go ahead and install everything and then come back to you once I have it all back together, and then I'll get ready to put my the shift boot back on and my other shift knob. So now I'm gonna put the stock shift boot back on. There's like a little O-ring on this. It wouldn't make it over this, so I cut it off. They Barton Industries supplied this zip tie. So what I'm gonna do is, it goes on like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shift boot on here, and then then zip tie it down. Almost have it. Okay, it's down on that side. It's down on this side. I think it's all the way down. No, one more piece. Straighten it around and snap it back in place after I'm done doing this. And it's snapped in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Speed Dawg shift knob on. So what I'm gonna do is, it came with an adapter for the Barton shifter. So pretty much I'm gonna put this on first. Go all the way down. This is the supplied adapter for the Speed Dawg shifter. Alright, I got it pretty much even right there. Let me tighten this up some, so when I try to put the shift knob on, it doesn't just spin. Here it is. I don't want to go all the way down. I don't want it to bottom out on the shift knob and through vibration cause it to crack or anything like that. So I'm going to loosen this, get it right where I want it, right about there. Man, I'm gonna need a 19. And I'm just gonna hold this in place. Tighten it up. Right there. With that, there's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna have to clean up in here, then take it for a test drive. So I just installed the shifter and the shift ball. I could feel a big difference already. I'm gonna go out and take it for a spin. So I just got back, we just got back from the test drive. Man, what a night and day difference how it feels. Positive engagement every single time. It feels super good. This is, if you have a manual, I'll say this is a must do upgrade. I'm not gonna do my clutch delay valve yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and ride out with the way this is for a while. So I'm just gonna not delete the clutch delay valve yet. Again, thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and comment below anything that you have or any questions you may have for me. Again, thanks for watching. Peace.